Miriam, we are here at RatePAY, your fintech that you have founded a couple of years ago. RatePAY is pretty well known in Germany, but what does RatePAY actually do?
So RatePAY does payments. We do especially the payments that the Germans love most. So Germans, they love cash and they don't like data and they don't like credit cards so much. So RatePAY is concentrating on these kind of payment methods that are, let's say, the ones that you use on the internet when you love cash. That's, for example, payment upon invoice. This is payment with direct debit, or this is payment via installment. So actually paying something later, pay afterwards. This is what we do. We do that with a risk takeover. So we take 100% of the risk and there's no hassle. So we do it very easy for all these people that want to process payments in Germany. We are the right partner to work with.
And we are also very proud of having you as a Bitkom member because you're not only well known for your brand, for your profit zone operating, but also for the reason that you have a lot of female workers at RatePAY and also among the leadership. So how did you manage to get all these women?
That's amazing, huh?
Yeah, it is.
I think we have more than 40% women here at RatePAY. So I think we're all role models. That's the good thing. So role models that attract other role models. So this is how we work actually with each other. And for example, our CTO, she's also female. And we have a lot of people in tech. So for us, women in tech is a complete normal thing. And we love this. And I think this really helps when you show other women in tech more come to work with us.
So at the Digital Finance Conference 2019 in May, so in a couple of weeks, you will be presenting your cooperation with Wirecard. So can you tell us about the cooperation and why did you choose Wirecard as a cooperation partner?
The cooperation is a long-term cooperation. We have worked together since 2011. So Wirecard is one of our most preferred and strongest partners that we work with. Let's say it like this. In 2011, we were looking for a bank that is doing the installment business with us together. And no other normal bank was really willing to, let's say, trust in this idea and go with this new thing. Except Wirecard. They really saw that there is a huge opportunity in let's say, putting effort into this kind of thing in online installments, and the other banks, they just didn't see it, or they were too afraid for this. Wirecard had more the mentality, go for it and do it. And the other banks, they were really, they hassled a lot, and they were really like, not really willing at that time to work with us. Today, many of them come and speak to us. That's an interesting fact. But we really have a good relationship, and I think we don't need so many other banks to talk to because we are really strong partners.
It's interesting to see an established bank as Wirecard is one enabling other fintechs and somehow also having competitors in the market now. Is that right?
Yes, they have competitors, but I think Wirecard is a fintech in a modern way. I mean, Wirecard is also a fintech, a little bit older one. I think the good thing about them, they understand the technology side of the business, because many of the normal banks have a lack, I think, of understanding in the technology. And this is something that Wirecard is really strong in compared to other banks. Yeah. And they also have a modern, let's say, a modern kind of like business, how they treat businesses. Because let's say the modern way of business is you also partner with maybe companies that in one hand you are a competitor with. This is something I think is quite modern. So I think they work a lot on the standard, let's say, do what you do best and partner with the rest, because you need strong partners and you cannot do anything by yourself. Yeah? If you want to roll out products, also for us, I mean, we cannot roll out every product by ourselves, and we need partners. And also we have to accept that some of our partners also work together with our competitors. But I think that is modern, a way of modern management.
So RatePAY is quite young fintech, but still already you are operating in the profit zone. So how did you manage to get there so quickly?
Actually, we always concentrated on profitability, really from the start on, and sustainability. So this was much more for us than top line growth. So we really concentrated on these things and a healthy growth with our customers. So we never really, we grow rather slowly, but really healthy. And this really helped us to become profitable quite early, already in 2016.
I think it's pretty unique among the German fintechs, isn't it?
Yes, we're really proud of this. Yeah, and it helps us now a lot. Yeah.